Today I'm in Apopka, Florida at the Hilton Hotel. It's a new Hilton Inn hotel. And I'm practicing my taking off and landing and trying to do a little video. So let's just take off. Now, I know I'm just a beginner and I'm trying to learn how to do this. I'm trying to get a shot of the water fountain. First thing I notice is the light pole in the shot, which I could have been moved over and got it without the pole in the shot. So then I was trying to get the fountain, and I was going to go straight down the road there on top of those palm trees, or to the left of those palm trees. And I start out okay. And then I'm trying to go straight, and the wind keeps trying to blow me into those trees on the right. So the video is not that good. It's some good pictures. It's quality video. And there's the hotel. Very nice new hotel in downtown Apopka. And now I'm going to try to fly back, and the sun is on my phone and I can't see the screen. I almost run into the trees. No, not the trees. It's still trying to blow me over into the trees. So I have to keep adjusting instead of just going straight and giving you guys a good video. But like I said, I'm just learning how to do this. And so now I'm landing. And I hope you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm going to have some better video as I learn how to do this. You guys have a fantastic day, and check out my next video and see if I get better.